Welcome to Build by Apes, and today we're here for the installation of Porsche Cayman Itasha.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves of blood and gore, always wanting more. Freedom from the source, they don't really listen until they feel the force of blood. And if you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
So why I choose this Itasha? Usada Pekara is a gateway for me to be introduced to Hololive. So I think she's actually the first Hololive talent I'm aware of, and I watch it quite diligently. And that's why I dedicate this Itasha for Usada Pecora and her mom's Usa Mama. Well, Porsche is an established brand, I think, and I'm quite new to cars, so the first thing I see in the car is its body line, and for me, the body line of a Porsche is really timeless, and I quite like it. Oh, no, this is actually my fourth Itasha. The first, second, and third is on this car. This is my very first car, and right now, got its Fuamuko Itasha. Well, I think this is quite ambitious personal project of mine, and I hope it meets everyone's expectation because for me personally, I really love it, and it brings a lot of the personality of me and hopefully the talent as well.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Oh, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I read that instead I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I read that instead I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end, you're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met? Heard it from a friend. Taking too long, shaking on the phone, red flagging by your side, so they can't get taken. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Oh, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I read that instead I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I read that instead I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end, you're hiding now. Why the doubt? Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I read that instead I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out, or it's something that I heard it from a friend.
I bought this car with my blood and sweat and tears, so I really have to take care of this car. Although it's not brand new, but still the feel of owning such car is really what motivates me to keep it together. Yeah, I think that's about it. And my principle is that every detail matters. So for that a whole year and each time it took, I really like uh, keep thinking it, keep brainstorming about the design. I mean the concept. I mean keep polishing it, and I think Pekora is my first Hololive talent. I actually use this car semi daily. I mean Indonesia has a system of having an odd and even plates, right? And this one is even plates. So I'm still using it during an even day. So I think this is the sweet spot for me for looks and the convenience of daily driving. So I think this is it. I don't think I'll add anymore. Maybe some restoration on the interior parts because this is actually quite an old car. It's in 2008 Cayman. So some interiors and itty tiny bits needs a little bit of restoration, and that's about it.